how to make obsidian in Minecraft. So first what we want to do is of course find the source of lava. So once you have your source of lava right here, make sure that you have a water bucket. Well, just remember that if you put like the water to moving lava or lava that is currently moving just like that, it will just basically turn into cobblestone and not a obsidian. So you need a lava that is just staying still. So here, as you can see, I have lava that's just not moving right there. And what you need to do now is just add the water bucket that we have. And as you can see, it automatically turned into an obsidian. So make sure that your lava is not moving and it's just staying still so that it can be turned into obsidian just like so. As you can see, it's now all turned into obsidian, and that's the only way to make obsidian in Minecraft, just by adding water to a block of lava or a lava that is not moving. That's how you basically make a obsidian in Minecraft.